Hi, my name is Rich Glady. I head up the lubricants division for VP Racing Fuels. I've been in the lubricant business for approximately 38 years. I started my career with Kendall Oil and became eventually vice president of a company called American Refining Group out of Bradford, Pennsylvania, and created the Penn Grade 1 green oil line. I've been with VP for approximately 4 years, and I've created an outstanding line of racing oils. And one of those oils is our traditional SAE 50 and SAE 60 racing oil. This oil is a heavier cut with no polymers in it. It's all used with mineral-based conventional base stocks. We put in approximately 1,700 parts per million zinc, 2,100 parts per million phosphorus, plus other anti-wear additives in this oil. We also use a very heavy lubricant base oil cut that has great polarity that keeps on engine parts. We recommend this oil for gasoline, methanol, ethanol, and also nitromethane for those applications that call for an SAE 50 conventional oil. We appreciate you trying our products. If you have any questions, feel free to call our tech service department. Thank you.